You bought a healthy plant. Watered it correctly. Gave it good light. And still it struggles. Slow growth. Yellow leaves. Root problems. The problem? Not the plant. The pot. Today, I'll show you exactly how to choose the perfect pot. Size, material, and drainage so your plants actually thrive. And there's one pot type that looks amazing, but silently kills plants over time. I'll reveal it later in the video. Part 1, Why the pot matters more than you think. The pot controls water retention, root space, and oxygen flow. Wrong pot means wrong environment. Remember this rule, the pot equals the root environment. Quick question, do you choose pots based on looks or function? Tell me below. Part 2, Choosing the right size. The golden rule, a new pot should be exactly 1 to 2 inches bigger than the current one. In a second, I'll show you why going bigger can actually slow growth. Look at this oversized pot. A big pot means more soil. More soil holds more water, so roots stay wet. The result? Root rot risk increases rapidly. Simple guide, small plants get 1 inch more. Medium get 1 to 2 inches. Large get 2 inches max. Have you ever used a pot that was too big? Comment yes or never. Part 3, Pot materials explained. First, plastic pots. They are lightweight and retain moisture well. But they offer less airflow. Best for beginners and plants that love moisture. Second, terracotta pots. They are highly breathable and dry out much faster. The downside? They need more frequent watering. In a moment, I'll tell you which plants absolutely love terracotta. Terracotta is best for succulents, cactus, and any plant prone to overwatering. Third, glazed ceramic pots. They are stylish and retain moisture. But they often have no drainage. Remember the pot that kills plants? We're getting close. Part 4, Drainage, the most important factor. No drainage hole equals high risk. Water has nowhere to go. The beautiful but dangerous pot is exactly that, decorative pots without drainage. The fix, use an inner plastic pot, drill a hole, or manually remove excess water. Be honest, do your pots have drainage holes? Yes or no? Part 5, Pro Setup Trick. Use the double pot method. Place an inner plastic pot with drainage inside an outer decorative pot. You get proper drainage and beautiful design. Bonus trick, never reuse an old pot without washing it. This stops pests and diseases from spreading. Part 6, Advanced Insights. Match pot to lifestyle. Forgetful waterer. Plastic. Overwaterer. Terracotta. Comment your plant and your pot type, and I'll tell you if it's the right match. A pot is more than decoration. It's a system. Subscribe to the Urban Leaf. Leave a like. Next, indoor plant lighting. Growing calm in small spaces.